What's up? My name is Kamal, and today we're just gonna make a simple video on replacing the rear wiper of our 2006 Porsche Cayenne. This, you don't need any tools. This is the wiper we got. Obviously, there's a lot of different ones you can get. I guess you can note that number and maybe this part number as well. Yeah, there's, different quality wipers at different prices, so you can kind of choose whichever you like. And you see there's just a little rod thing right there, and it's just gonna snap into place. So to get the old one out, you literally just kind of get your fingers under it and it pops right out. You can see there's just a little plastic bit in there.
It's kind of dark. Can I have a flashlight?
You can see it didn't take too much to get it out. So then the other thing is, when I pop this out, on these wipers you can see that this little rectangle and this square, so this side has the bigger part, this is the smaller part. On the wiper you can see there's a larger section and then a smaller section right there. So when you pop the new one in, oh look at this, this one looks like it can go either way, see that? Yeah. So I guess it depends on which brand you get, because this one looks like it actually will only go in the one orientation. But you can see this has a little ledge where it goes a little higher. So I'm gonna still put the larger part on the bottom and just snapped it in. I kind of like pushed on the actual metal part when you're putting it in. I wouldn't try and like push right on the rubber part where the wiper is, because then you're kind of messing with its integrity right at installation. But yeah, you can see how it fits in there and how this one doesn't care, it doesn't matter. With this one, it looked like you did have to put it in a certain way. So yeah, just look out for that, I guess. Before I actually put this back down, I always kind of do this. I'll use glass cleaner and clean the rear windshield, and just to get stuff like that off. So, because that's the thing, is like when you look at this, I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but I don't know if you noticed, there's like almost like little marks in the glass. I guess that just happens over time when, just dirt and debris does get under the rubber part of the blade. So not much you can do about it, but try and keep your car washed and clean. So yeah, I'm gonna clean the glass, and that's that. So thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel to see more Cayenne stuff, and yeah, catch you guys later. Peace.